Hello everyone and welcome back to Georgia. First of all, I'd like to congratulate all the finalists for placing so far. And if possible, I would love, if I don't make it in the finals, I would love to come and watch and cheer everybody on for the last section. Savannah's only like 3.5 hours away, so that would be awesome. I play a lot of tennis and in the evenings, so I like to come up with recipes that are a light supper before I go out and play. So today, I'm going to be making summer chicken salad tarts. Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to make the tarts. We're going to start with 1 stick of softened butter, and we're going to have half a container of chive and onion Philadelphia cream cheese. That's 4 ounces. And then we're going to go ahead and mix this up together. And then we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Once this is all mixed in, we're going to put this into 6 little tarts, so divide this evenly 6 ways, and I'll show you that in a second. Okay, I have divided the dough into 6 equal balls, and I'm going to, when you put them in the tart pans, make sure you have them greased, and get a little bit of flour on your fingers, and just push it down in here, and then we want it to go over the top a little. Make sure you get the edges and keep adding a little flour if it gets sticky, but push it around in there. See how it goes over the top a little. Okay, once you get them all pressed in, we're going to cook them on 350 for about 15-20 minutes. Okay, now we're going to make our chicken salad. What I've got here is half a pound of frozen chicken fajita breast strips, and it's nice because it comes conveniently fully cooked, and I've cut these into smaller pieces, diced it up, and I'm going to cook it on about medium-high heat so it'll get warm, and then I'm going to add to this 1 tablespoon of the chive and onion Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm going to mix this in with this and let it melt. We're going to let this get warm and let the cheese melt in here and make it creamy. Okay, now you can see the cream cheese is melted and it's nice and warm. Now I'm going to set this aside and let it cool. Now I'm going to mix the rest of my ingredients for the salad. Now I'm going to put the rest of my ingredients in a big bowl and mix them together. I'm going to start with about half a cup of feta cheese. I've got about half a cup of diced cucumber. And this is a nice convenience too. It's matchstick carrots, and they're already all like that, so you don't have to worry about cutting them up or anything. It's great. I've also got about half a cup of green onions and half a cup of sliced red bell pepper. Add this in. Now I'm going to add about half a cup of diced tomatoes. And I also have about half a cup of pineapple, and I got this snack kind in the bag, which is kind of nice, and all you have to do is just slice it up like that. And then for a little bit of flavoring, I've got about half a tablespoon of dill, about half a teaspoon of sugar, and about 1 clove minced garlic in this. I'm going to just toss this in my bowl. Okay, I'm going to add about 5 ounces of plain yogurt. And then we're going to go ahead and add our chicken mixture. And now we're just going to toss it. Make sure the yogurt gets mixed in good. And once you toss this, we're going to add our tarts. We're going to fill up our tarts. Thanks. Okay, once you get this tossed, we're going to fill our tarts with this. So let's go check them out. Okay, I'm filling these up with my salad. Make sure you put plenty on there. Okay, now once you have your tarts filled, we want to put some cracked fresh pepper on each one. Kind of drizzle a little bit, you know, kind of makes the plate look cool. And for our garnish, we're going to add a sprig of dill on each tart. And voila, let's taste it.